guys, I bet you didn't know, goats don't like the rain. As you can see, everybody's in the barn hiding. We don't like rain. Huh. Except apparently Lucy, who's over there drenched. You know, we don't like the rain though. So, nice day in the barn for everybody. Everybody hiding. Everybody's over there. Except Little Bear and Bubba. She's always up in my butt. And Juno. Say hi, Juno. Don't fight. Everybody's all together, so they have to get along. And of course, I chose to wear shorts. No one said I was smart. Right? And of course, we're still on baby watch. She still won't let them go. Hopefully we gotta have some babies soon. I got a new camera. So if I pretend to go pick it up, she might do it. Because I know she doesn't want me to use it. That's usually how it goes. Hi, Rogie. Yeah, you did the same thing, huh? That's actually before. Children, be nice. So jealous all the time. And everybody's just rainy day it is. Rainy day. Hi, Daddy. That squish face. It's the only goat I know that lets you squish her face. Huh. Yeah. You're a monster. Yeah. Alright, well, I just figured I'd tell you. Goats do not appreciate the rain. They'll stay in here all day, so guess I gotta go get some hay. Alright guys, have a good one.